All right, here we are at the dog park, and here she goes. Penny, you guys gonna play? Careful, you guys. She's quick.
Yeah.
Yep, and off they go. Yeah, there she goes. Don't get too excited, guys. She got spayed.
Well, hello. Hello. Yeah. Get run over.
Hello.
Oh, there we go. Took some water. Oh, what she got?
Hi.
Penny.
You're so cute.
There you go. Play with the dogs.
Here's the game.
Holy crap.
Man, she had half her energy.
Like I said, Peter's quick.
Oh, man.
Aren't you the belle of the ball?
The bell of the ball, yeah.
You gonna run? Whoa. You guys are really focusing here. What in the hell? Hey, hey, hey.
Come on, Penny, you can outrun him.
Hey. Hey, off.
Oh, the one in the orange harness is mine.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right. Yeah.
He just loves playing with all the
Go,
dogs.
go, go.
Oh, yeah, that's loving it, yeah.
Oh, goodness.
That black one's trying to mount her.
Oh, Chowder.
It's like I said, she ain't got. They're not gonna get very far.
Oh, hi.
Run, Penny! Run for the hills!
I love it. Like, she's running herself into a corner.
Yeah, yeah. Wait till they more fun. Oh my goodness.
Run, Penny!
Oh, geez.
Oh yeah, she'll get rolled.
Got freaking plowed.
Yeah.
Oh, an old dog that lives near us plowed her into the concrete a couple of days ago. It was like, yeah, Willie's got some spry to him.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, 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 off. Come on, baby. You wanna go play?
Atlas. Atlas.
Hey, Penny, get back in here. Go. Go play. I don't know why she's so obsessed with the front door.
Hi.
Careful.
Hello, Penny.
Careful.
Yeah.
Hey, Chowder.
Whee.
Better run, Penny. He's gonna get you in a way you aren't gonna like.
Yeah.
Chowder, at least let her get the ball first.
Run! Run! Whoa.
Oh, Chowder.
Careful.
I think she's part greyhound, Ryan. The way she runs.
Yeah, I've heard that. Whip it. All kinds. You gonna be okay, Penny? You gonna be okay, baby? Hey, hey.
We can go walk back here.
Yeah, the only thing that worries me about her is that she'll knock over that little girl. Or rather, the other dogs that are chasing her.
Yeah.
She is spry enough. They are not.